One I'm holding now is from a dead lobster years ago. Clean it and dry the shell so that I do have a reference to all figure of the lobster. I can use it for reference for my carving. Just the crusher will be the right side claw and the knuckle, and just if I can detail, I can detail. Do my best if I can mimicking the from this one, from the original one. So this is the crusher claw, and this is just a claw for a lobster. In fact, that once the lobster on the water, they crush first the prey and then slice it using by the left claw and slice the pieces of meat and then going to eat. Anyway, this is my carving. Thing is the legs. I'll be work on the legs, like eight pieces of them soon. So I have, but first I have to do this claw nice and polished, and yeah, and the horn will be, I'll attach a horn later once I put the legs, and I think will be the last antenna. I'll see. So yeah, and I'll put this is plain here, and we'll put the legs here attached. I need still to carve this knuckle here, carve and detail. And this one I slice this with the chainsaw, cut a little bit half so that the dry process is slow. It doesn't give a lot of cracks because this is spruce wood. And this is the example of the split. So if I didn't slice a whole way there, it puts a lot of cracks, so it's just slowing the cracks of the surface, but there's still a chance that going to produce more split and crack. So this is the same size made, and it would be the same color, look like a bronze or a live lobster color. Very much soon. Just give it a time.